Okay, we're over here at gotomath.com. Click on the algebra. Let's go down to adding and subtracting polynomials. And let's take a look at the first one here. Okay, so it says find the sum of the two polynomial expressions and write in standard form. So this is considered to be a polynomial expression, and so is this one. You're probably like, well, that's just a number, but technically these are. And these are also just considered to be monomials. But let's just do what it says up here, alright? So 2x and 22. The sum of them. So the sum means we take their sum. 2x plus 22. Wow, that's it. That's all there is. Okay. Now, if you're wondering what a polynomial is, a polynomial is made up of monomials. And so, for instance, a coefficient could be a or a constant could be a monomial. Let's see, let's do 2x is a monomial. 15x squared is, okay. But these are all polynomials. Now, poly means poly. Do you know Polly? She wants a cracker. Nomials. Polynomials are made up of monomials. Mono meaning one, right? And poly meaning many. And so, what are polynomials? What do they look like? And then we can write them in standard form. Like, for example, standard form is when we have, okay, here, I'll just write one out. So these are all monomials, and okay, that make up this polynomial. Now, this guy right up here, okay, this is what's important here, that this power, or the exponent, must be an integer. Okay, remember what, I shouldn't say must be an integer, must be a whole number. Do you remember what whole numbers are? Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, alright, so the exponent must be a whole number. Alright, and then the coefficient out here can actually be any real number. Okay, can be any real number. Like, for example, you could have the square root of 3 times x to the raised to the 4th power plus 3. Okay, that's a polynomial. Alright, but what's important here is that this power up here must be a whole number. Must be a whole number. Okay, now well, let's not erase anything. I'll just write over here. So when I say in standard form, which you'll see here in just a minute, when we say in standard form, we want to start with the highest power first. Okay, the highest power. So let me just write some monomials here. And let's say x squared. Okay. And we're going to take their sum. We're going to sum all these guys up. But we want to write this in standard form. And that means we're going to write the one with the largest exponent first. And then the next one, which would be that one here, right? So we have x cubed plus, and then we have x squared, and then plus x. So there's a polynomial expression right there. Okay, so nothing difficult about it. All right, and and remember their coefficients. That's the number out in front of x here, as long as it's a real number. Okay, any real number. Okay, I guess that's all I'm going to say about that. All right, for this particular problem. Okay. Polynomials, that's what we're going to be working on in this section. Alright, okay. I guess we go back to the main page. So here, this is an example of how it should be typed in, right? So here's one in standard form. So let's go ahead and just do that. So we got 2x, whoa, not a big x, little x, 2x plus 22. 2x plus 22, correct. Let's click the answer there, make sure that's good too. Alright, so you come on by and practice. Makes perfect. We got lots of problems in this section on that. Alright, and I'll see you over here at GoToMath.com. Bye.